Last week, my friend called me.
What happened?
She was crying, real crying. Her mother was very sick.
Oh, Mohin.
And I just held the phone. My mouth opened, and nothing came out. 30 seconds, nothing.
And the silence felt wrong.
The worst silence of my life. She needed something from me, and I had nothing to give her.
You made it here today, and I think I already know why. Welcome to Speak English Flow, where we learn real English through honest conversations that live close to the heart. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. Hello, everyone. If you are new here, welcome. Pull up a chair. You will want to hear what we have for you today.
Nobody here will judge your silence when the words won't come, because silence in those moments doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care so much you're afraid of making it worse.
Nobody will judge that.
Not even me. I once told a friend, at least it wasn't worse, at exactly the wrong moment in her life.
Emma,
I'm joking, sort of.
actually, I prepared before the phone call. I practiced what to say in the mirror, the whole speech.
And?
She told me her news. I said, okay, so did you eat today?
Of course you did.
You know, even this morning, I saw my neighbor. Her face looked heavy. I wanted to say something. I just kept walking.
We all do that. We think the moment has passed, but it never really passes.
No, it doesn't.
What Mohin said, that silence on the phone, 30 seconds with nothing, I think every person listening right now has felt exactly that.
Even people who speak English very well?
Especially them, because comfort is not about perfect grammar. It is about the right words. And the right words, nobody taught us those. So if you have ever held the phone and not known what to say when someone you love was hurting, this episode is for you.
Or if you have ever typed a message to a friend, deleted it, typed it again, and then sent nothing?
Yes, that exact moment. We know that moment. And today, we have something real for you. This is an A2 to B1 level episode. Please just listen. Don't worry about every single word.
Let the English come to you. It will come.
And later, we have our word tour. 3 key words from today. Slow, clear, with examples you can use immediately.
And one homework. Very easy. Just one sentence in the comments.
Just one. But first, one small favor. If Speak English Flow is helping you, please subscribe.
New episodes regularly. Real English. Real conversations. Exactly like this one.
And share this with one person today who needs it. Just one person.
One person is enough. Are you ready?
Let's go. Mohin, when someone you love tells you something painful, what do you actually want to say?
I want to say, I'm sorry, or are you okay? But those words feel too small, too light for what they are carrying.
Too small. That is exactly the problem. And this feeling of having no words big enough, it even has a name in English. We say, I was lost for words.
Lost for words.
You have the feeling, but the words are simply not there.
That is exactly what happened to me.
I want to share a story. A listener wrote to us. Her name is Farida. She worked in an office. Her colleague lost his mother. Every day, Farida wanted to say something, but every morning she walked past his desk and she looked down at the floor.
That sounds so hard for her.
She felt ashamed, like her silence was making her a bad friend, like she was failing someone who needed her, invisible in a room of people.
And what happened?
Gently, one day, one phrase, she walked to his desk and said, I've been thinking of you.
4 words.
He looked up, his eyes were wet, and he said, thank you, that means a lot.
She didn't need the perfect speech.
No, same silence inside her, different 4 words coming out.
Same silence, different choice.
And today, we have 4 tools that helped Farida find those words. You are not alone in this.
4 tools, real tools. Let's go.
Tool 1, the name it phrase.
The name it phrase, what does that mean?
When someone is hurting, the first thing they need is to feel seen. Not fixed, not advised, just seen. And the way to show that is to name what they are feeling.
Say the feeling out loud.
Imagine someone is carrying something very heavy, a big bag, and you say, "That looks really heavy." Suddenly, they feel less alone, not because you took the bag, because you saw it.
Because you saw them.
Exactly. So instead of saying, "Don't worry, it will be fine," you say, "That must be really hard."
That must be really hard. So simple.
Simple is the point. They don't need advice right now. They need to know their pain is real, and you see it.
Tool 1. See the pain. Name it out loud. That must be really hard.
Tool 2. The presence phrase.
Presence? Like being there?
Exactly. Sometimes we cannot fix the problem, and that helplessness makes us say nothing. Or worse, we say, "You should try this." But the person doesn't need solutions. They need company.
Like being a warm chair in a cold room?
Mohin, that is beautiful. Yes, a warm chair in a cold room. The presence phrase is this: "I'm here. You don't have to go through this alone."
I'm here. You don't have to go through this alone. That is a lot. In very few words.
Instead of "let me know if you need anything," which puts the pressure on them to ask, say "I'm here." Full stop.
Tool 2. Be the warm chair. I'm here.
Tool 3. The gentle check-in.
Check in? Like asking how they are?
But not the automatic version. Not, "Hey, how are you?" while you're already walking away. The gentle check-in means you stop, you look at them, you ask with your full attention.
And what do you say?
"How are you doing?" No, I mean really, how are you?
You say no in the middle?
You do. That small no is a signal. It says, "I know the polite answer is fine, but I want the real one. I have time. I am listening."
And sometimes people are just waiting for someone to ask with that, really.
The pause is your friend. Instead of "How are you doing?" say "How are you doing?" No, really, how are you? And then wait.
Tool 3. Ask with the really. The pause is your friend.
Tool 4. The open door.
Open door. Like leave it open for them?
Yes, sometimes people are not ready to talk, and that is completely okay. But the kindest thing you can do is leave the door open. Say, "Whenever you're ready to talk, I'm here."
So they know they can come back. They don't have to be ready right now.
They don't have to perform their pain today. They don't have to explain everything. You are simply saying, "When you are ready, I will still be here."
Like a light you leave on when someone is coming home late.
Mohin, a light left on. That is exactly right. Instead of "Just tell me what happened," say, "Whenever you're ready, I'm here."
Tool 4. Leave the light on. Whenever you're ready, I'm here.
And when you say that, you are not alone in this, and neither are they. Before we go to our word tour, let me give you something very practical. 5 sentence starters for when someone is hurting and your mouth opens but nothing comes out.
Sentence starters for the blank mind, blank phone screen moment.
Exactly, because sometimes the problem is not that you have nothing to say. The problem is you don't know how to begin. 1. To be honest, I don't have the perfect words, but I want you to know I'm thinking of you.
2. I can't imagine how hard this must feel.
3. Out of nowhere, I thought of you today. How are you really doing?
4. Looking back, I wish I had said this sooner. I'm here for you.
5. All in all, the most important thing is you are not alone in this. Mohin, someone just told you some difficult news. Go.
To be honest, I don't have the perfect words, but I want you to know I'm thinking of you.
That is enough. That is more than enough.
The sentence starter. It is the door.
It is always the door.
Okay, now let's slow down and look at 3 words from today.
Words that will help you talk about hard times for yourself and for the people you love. You don't need all 3. Just choose one that feels useful.
First word, overwhelmed. Say it with us. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means too much is happening at once, emotionally, mentally. everything feels heavy at the same time.
Like your brain has too many open windows and it cannot close them.
Exactly. Example 1. I've been feeling completely overwhelmed lately.
Example 2. She looked overwhelmed. I didn't know what to say.
You can say, I can see you're overwhelmed right now. I'm not going anywhere.
Instead of you seem stressed, say you seem overwhelmed. More honest, more human.
Second word, comfort. Say it slowly. Comfort. Comfort.
Comfort.
Comfort.
Comfort like safety and warmth when life is hard?
Exactly. Comfort is that feeling of being held, not physically, but in your heart. It can come from a person, a place, even one sentence.
Or a warm cup of tea?
Or a warm cup of tea. Example 1. I just wanted to comfort her, but I didn't know how.
Example 2. Sometimes just sitting quietly with someone is the greatest comfort.
You can say, I hope this brings you a little comfort.
Instead of, I hope you feel better, say, I hope this brings you comfort. More gentle, more true.
Third word, heartbroken. Heart-bro-ken. Heartbroken.
Heartbroken means deeply, completely sad, usually about a loss, something or someone you loved, and it is gone.
Like your heart is not just sad, it is in pieces.
Example 1. She was heartbroken when she heard the news. You can say, I can hear that you're heartbroken, and that makes complete sense.
Instead of that's so sad, say you sound heartbroken. It tells them I truly hear you.
And that is our word tour for today.
3 words. I'll start with overwhelmed. It's exactly what I felt holding that phone.
Which word felt most useful to you? Write it in the comments.
Okay, let's go back. Let's remember. Tool 1,
Tool 1.
the name it phrase. See the pain. Name it out loud. That must be really hard.
Perfect. Tool 2.
The presence phrase. Be the warm chair in the cold room. I'm here. You don't have to go through this alone.
Tool 3.
The gentle check-in. Ask with the really. The pause is your friend.
And tool 4.
The open door. Leave the light on. Whenever you're ready, I'm here.
Mohin, that was absolutely perfect.
That is a small win.
That is definitely a small win. Can I say something important for just a moment?
Please.
If you have ever stood next to someone in pain and had no words, that silence was not coldness. It was love. It was fear. You were so afraid of making it worse that you froze. And that fear is actually the beginning of care. You were never the wrong person in that moment. You just never had the right words. Until now, you found this video. You listened. You are still here. That is everything.
If my mouth can learn these words, yours can too. You are not alone in this.
We believe in you. We really do. Before we go, your homework.
Easy homework.
Go to the comments. Complete this sentence. The moment I didn't know what to say in English was when blank.
For example, the moment I didn't know what to say was when my friend called me crying.
Or, the moment I didn't know what to say was when I had to comfort someone at work.
One sentence, that is all. We read every comment, every single one.
Please subscribe to Speak English Flow. Share this with one person today who needs it. Just one.
You are not alone in this. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.